Hello student, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Once again I welcome back to your online classes. Today video about your UT test first. So in this video I will tell you how to prepare your MCQ type questions and how which type of question I have given. So most students are asking to me, ma'am, what is our syllabus and which type of question you give. So already I uploaded your day sheet and your syllabus, and not this is the first time I'm telling you. MCQ type questions not first time you know about this. So for your information only I will tell you again how to prepare it. First of all, syllabus your lesson 3 will come only 2 chapter from the course book and 1 grammar. So syllabus also I have written here, you can see. First you're playing the game, Magritte prize and the sentences. So this is your syllabus, and very important, you have only 30 minutes. That will time only 30 minutes you have. Within a 30 minutes you attempt your questions, your answers, and after 30 minutes automatically your app will be closed. So very carefully read the questions and take the correct answer. Okay, each question 1 marks. So I will now I will tell you how to prepare your questions, and already I explain you your chapter, your grammar work, your words meaning, question answer, long and short both. So learn each and everything. Okay, so this is your first chapter, the playing game. So in this chapter, first of all, warm up, you practice it, you learn it, the game's equipment. So please learn by heart and read each line. Like life has often been compared to a game. In this graphic story, the author was uses the game of baseball to give a message to us about how to live our lives. Through this foot baseball, the writer tell to us how to live our life. Okay, so this each lines you read carefully, and this words meaning. Okay, all this one short one, does the game in the story reminds you. This all the things carefully read it to take it, build and break, and like this one already explain you the chapters. So you read carefully this all. So now I will show this summary also, this question answer also take, and take one also, and this one also, which of the following qualities does the author query. So this all this a and b exercises, each and everything learn it. So this is your pattern. I will now I'm telling you how which type, this is the sample only. This is the question, how which type this question will come. Suppose first one, the cricket, the name of the game with the equipment used to play: gloves, skits, board, and wickets. Gloves also definitely is correct, but what is the actual equipment, which one? So we use wicket. Okay, the first question I have taken from this line, you can see in warm up. Okay, I hope you understand. Now the second question about your if we can only play it wrongly, nicely, right, or none. So your answer should be, if we can, you can see this one second picture, if we can only play it right. Like this question I have made from the chapters and from the summary, from the read and answer. Okay, and learn all the things, words meaning also. And if you try honestly, then you can win. Life is give and take, like this question. So I hope you understand this, ma'am, which type of question ma'am have given to you. So no doubt. So do one thing, you solve this all the question in your rough copy for practice. Okay, and read the chapter carefully. This is the first chapter question answers, and the second one start from downside, the 11th one, how to frequently are the Olympic games held. 4 years, this one you find out the, read the chapter and find out these answers. Okay, this is the chapter second, my greatest prize, and I have given from warm up also. So learn the warm up also, the short one question answer, words meaning, paragraph, each paragraph read very carefully. Suppose Jess Owens is one of the greatest athlete to have competed in the Olympic game, so I give fill up. dash is one of the greatest athletes to have competed in the Olympic Games. So what will become here? So just ons will come. Like this question I made for you. So this is your samples you see here, and try to solve at home. Open your book and write this all the question, this words meaning also learn it, and how the feeds each and every line is very important this chapter. And this short question answer like this: what did the Joseon send to the first record world record? So you learn this one also. So you learn this antonium also, the C1 exercise also, practice it, okay, because optional questions are there, so please don't do mistake, okay. So you learn it all the things. If you any doubt you can ask me, because already explain you, I given dates your exam and your syllabus. I have shown you the pattern this one also, and with sample also in front of you. So you practice in your rough copy this and read the chapter and find out these the answers. I hope you understood what type of question will come and how to prepare the paper. So again, if you have any doubts you have, so please you ask to me. And second thing, you learn the chapters writer name also, and from here to take this chapter like this. And poem I will not giving you here, because poem, all the poems video I will tell you later. First I will explain you all the chapters in English literature. So don't worry, if you any doubt you can ask me about any unit test, about any chapter, again I will tell you. So I hope you understand how to prepare this paper. And grammar one sample paper I will give you in next video. So this is only the literature sample paper, so solve it, okay, in your rough copy. So I hope you understood this. So all the best and take care. Thank you.